Hey everyone, David here, founder of SheetXAI. And today we are doing another one of these spreadsheet tutorials. All right, so today we're doing something very simple. We are just removing blank rows, right? And I know you've probably had to remove a whole bunch of blank rows in your life. Probably you did them manually, going literally row by row, seeing anything that's blank and doing the right click, delete, all that stuff. Between you and I understand your pain, man. But today we're gonna do it super duper fast, super duper easy, literally in one little step, right? And this works in Excel and Google Sheets with this app called SheetXAI that's inside of both, right? Right. So we're hopping into Excel here, and as you can see, on the left we have all this data, and you see all the blank rows. On the right we have SheetXAI. Now check this out. In order to actually run it, all we have to do is just ask it very nicely, right? Hey, can you remove all the blank rows from this spreadsheet? Thank you so much. Boom. Now that it's in there, let's send it. It's done. Now, I know normally you do this super manually, but I'm really happy to tell you that your manual stress is over, right? So for now that this is ready, all you have to do is chill. You got an extra hour, maybe 2 extra hours, just chill. And remember, in order to make this happen, we use SheetXAI, right? Best AI for Excel and AI for Google Sheet tool out right now. It's frankly just insane. So make sure you get SheetXAI. All the information about it is in the description, and we're gonna talk some more. Thank you so much, guys, and I hope you have a nice day. Thank you.